Hi, my name is Aditya, and this is the task 2 of Orinson-Technologies internship. And the task is to create a simple predictive model using the Iris dataset. So, this project is done with inputs from Microsoft's Copilot, GPT-4 Mini, and Google's Gemini. And this is the tech stack used. So, first of all, we import the dataset and pre-process it. So, we are importing the libraries here and we are loading the data set here. So the target uh, uh, the target for the processing is species here, which is available in which will be available with iris.target, and the data is stored in X and the target is stored in Y. And now we are viewing the data set. So this is data set. And next part is splitting the data set. So here we are splitting the data set in training and testing with 80% training and 20% testing. The test size 0.2 specifies that 80% of the data is for training and 20% is for testing. So we are splitting the data sets as such, and we are now printing here. So next we pre-process the data and we scale the data. So like we are now initializing the standard scaler. So here we are initializing the standard scaler, and now we are now fitting and transforming the data. So fitting is used to learn the parameters from the data, and the transform function will apply the learn transformation to the data. So we are performing both fitting and transform to the data here, and now we are viewing the data here. Now we are going to train this pre-processed model with the KNN. So what is KNN algorithm in machine learning? The KNN algorithm is a very popular machine learning technique used for like classification and regression tasks. It relies on the idea that similar data points tend to have similar labels or values. So during the training phase, the KNN algorithm, it will store the entire data set as a reference. When making predictions, it calculates the distance between the input data point and all the training examples using some distance metrics such as Euclidean distance. Next, the algorithm will identifies the k nearest neighbor to the input data point that is provided based on the distances. And this algorithm is very straightforward and easy to understand, making it a popular choice in various domains. So the explanation is now over for it. And now we are now training the model using KNN. So we are training with the neighbors as three, and we are now for fitting it for later use. So the fit method is used to fit the model to the training data, which involves calculating the distance between the training samples and determine the k nearest neighbors for each sample. So this process enables the model to learn the patterns and relationships of the data for making predictions on new unseen data. So now we are now predicting the labels. So we are predicting the labels and now printing it. And now we are evaluating the model. So like we are evaluating whether the test and prediction data has an accurate is coincides and has an accuracy, and the model and they have, after the training and stuff, it is now found that the accuracy is 100%.